All right, guys, so I got out here to Redvale. This is the nasty elm that we're taking down that's kind of leaning toward the house. It's got a bunch of rot from bad pruning in the years past. I'm about to hop up in the tree and start the removal. We've got a couple of little pruning jobs going on next door. The guy that is working with me as a subcontract climber, he's going to be doing that. And then we might be felling one that's crowded at the end of this row, but it's so hung up that we had to get up there, take out a couple of leads on the top, and then fell the stem out like that. And I'm pretty sure we could do it pretty quickly. So we'll talk to the owner if we have time at that point. But hopefully we'll be out of here early afternoon, I would think, probably. And I'll talk to you guys later. Recoil lanyard, awesome. Yeah. Watch out below. Watch out. Watch it. Come on now. Those are not light chunks. You know, yeah, I had slack and you had slack. You just put a little bit in yours. And so pull it taut and then give like 6 inches of slack. Because it's going to drop anyway, so maybe that'll be enough for it not to bounce out. Where you at? It doesn't make a huge wiggle, but it makes enough of one. Being happy with my lack of ability to bend over and grab this. It's not that. It's lanyards and probably not being flexible enough. Okay, so you ready? That was good enough. I mean, I don't know how you would have gotten it much better than that, so. Too many climbing days like this, guys. I don't get to see this kind of view very frequently when I'm doing some climbing work. So always enjoy a beautiful day and be up in the trees. Probably, what, 45 foot, 50 foot tree? Something like that. Yeah, good times. So, got that one down, did a little bit of 3-to-1 with some pulling on it. And this is what we found with the hinge. I mean, the stump, it's just, you know, these are elms, Siberian elms, so they're soaked with water. But that, I mean, look at that water. It's crazy how much water's in that. You can see it puddling when you move your fingers. Yeah, soaks you. As I was cutting the face cut and inserted the back cut to the hinge, it was just pouring out the front. Dude, I didn't buy it because I wanted to. I was happy with my iPhone SE.
Like a foot. Oh, that's great.
The homeowner was saying that they have a leach field here that's right over there behind in that dirt area. And then these are right here, and then right where that ace bucket is, more or less, there's a well, right? And look at this thing. It's bubbling. It's bubbling. I had to, this is not a good hinge, but I didn't have a choice. I set the hinge based on what I originally thought was ideal, and then I realized as I was about to cut on the backstroke that it wasn't, because there's all this wire. And I still, did you see that I still hit a wire? No, I still cut through it. I could feel it. So there's a little, this is that pig wire. So like this stuff, they've had every tree had it lying down there the whole time. And I hit it right here. I could feel it nick. It shuddered and I knew it, but what are you gonna do at that point? But look at this, the water just bubbling. These things are crazy for sure. These elm trees, Siberian elms, are some kind of tree. So, you know, just you do what you gotta do. So the job got done today. We got all of the branches and canopy out of the one that was over the house, and then we felled it, and then we actually got extra work. He wanted us to take a few branches off of another tree, and then we got that tree down as well, or a third tree down. So we dropped 2 trees and trimmed 3 trees, specific things. So turned out that I got a little bit more money for the job than I had expected, which was super cool. But yeah, it's now 6 o'clock. We started up there at like 9:30-ish, and yeah, got it all done. No cleanup, just removal and dropping, and it just, you know, rigging a bunch of pieces and stuff just takes a little while. So had to reset lines a couple of times and different things. So yeah, just nice to have that job done and in the bank now. You know, I mean, I've got the payment, but yeah, we'll be back on willow trees tomorrow. Hopefully all the rigging will be done, and all I'll have to do is drop the big stuff on Wednesday, I mean. So we'll see.